Hey, what is going on, guys? Alright, so I'm back. I've got the fan assembled. I do not have it installed. Right quick, I did want to kind of share with you guys something. So that's like I was saying in the last video about how they make them or build them. After you order, there's the proof. It was the date it was completed was 4/30/2018. Shows you the balance test, sound test, and the time it was completed, and all that jazz. I just thought that was kind of cool. So there's fan assembled. This here is the remote for it. Comes with a wall-mounted bracket, which I haven't messed with yet, obviously. That is what it's. Let me step back here. That's the fan that it is replacing. Right there. So here's the wires and all that stuff. Let's pick it up here right quick. There's the label. Here's what the bottom looks like with the light installed. Let's see if I can set it down here somewhere. Alright. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. This right in here, all that right there is the Sense Me deal. It's where it turns your fan on and all that by itself. So once I get it up there, I'll either put these videos together or I'll just do another separate video. Alright, well, appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you did. You can always subscribe if you want. I will see you on the next one. Peace.